a great choice today with the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, security system, compass, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.